Hello, dear students. I am Dr. Mahesh Nagas. And in this video class, we will be discussing one business communication in English aspect, market survey reports. Dear students, in the last class, that means regarding business communication in English, we discussed how to write an email letter. In that class, we looked at the meaning of an email letter and the contents of an email letter, at the same time the format of the email letter. So, and of course, now you are able to write a perfect email letter. Right, coming back to this class on market survey reports. It has three learning objectives, dear students. The first one is to enable the students to understand the contents of market survey reports. Okay, that means you will come to know the contents of a market survey reports. The second objective is to enhance their knowledge on the steps or methods to be followed to write a market survey report, a good market survey report. Okay, so the objective of this class is to enhance your knowledge regarding the steps and methods there in a market survey report to make them prepare a good market survey report on your own. Okay, so on your own, you will be able to prepare a good market survey report. Market survey report. Okay, let us see some basic information regarding this market survey report. A market survey report is a management and marketing device. Look at this. This market survey report is a device. Adondu sadhana, marketing sadhana. Okay, management sadhana. Used by business people. Yes, business people use this market survey report as a device. Why? To help them take crucial decisions. To help them take crucial decisions. Okay, ನಿರ್ಣಾಯಕ ನಿರ್ಧಾರಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ regarding products, brand perception, impact on the market, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so to take crucial decisions regarding issues related to business, this market survey report is used as a device by business people. Market survey report plays a vital role, an important role in the expansion of business. So based on the market survey report, okay, the business is expanded. And finding the reasons for poor performances, market survey, okay, a report helps to find the reasons for poor performance if there is any, and to take steps for improvement of business. Okay, for all these things, uh, okay, this plays market survey report plays a important role. Features of market survey report. Features of market survey report. Okay, fine, dear students. So a market report, a market survey report takes place through 4 steps generally. 4 ಹಂತಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತಯಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The first step is appointment of a reporter. Appointment of a reporter. Yes. So a reporter is appointed by the higher authority of that business establishment. ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಹೈಯರ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅದೇ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, a reporter is appointed by the higher authority of the company, and of course the reporter belongs to the same company. Then, so this reporter, okay, this reporter, he conducts the survey. Okay, he visits people, he conducts interviews, and he finds facts. Okay, fact finding for a particular, okay, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರದ ಸಂಬಂಧವಾಗಿ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಿಜಾಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟರ್. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ finding the facts, okay, he gives some suggestions or recommendations regarding his report or his or her report. ತನ್ನ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ he or she gives some suggestions. The reporter gives some suggestions or recommendations, and then he concludes the report. Right? These are the four steps I can say are features of a market survey report. Yes, now we have come to the practical area. Okay, how to write a market survey report, the format, the model. Okay, ಅದರ model, ಅದರ format ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ let us see now. Fine, dear students, the format, okay, you just look at this format. It is just like other letters we wrote, okay, in business communication in the previous classes. ಕಳೆದ ಕೆಲವಾರು ತರಗತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಅಥವಾ ನೋಡಿದಂತಹ ಲೆಟರ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್, ಓಕೆ, TEL colon, then telephone number, okay, then in the middle the same line web, WEB colon, then www dot HMT here, because this is HMT watches from address, hmt.com, this is the website address. Email, okay, email colon HMT ind, that is India, at gmail.com, okay, fine. Then fax number below telephone, FAX colon fax number, then right side, okay, mobile, MOB colon 10-digit mobile number. This is from address, okay, so you know it very well. From address, from address. So from address, as you know, now it comes in the middle of the letter. Letter na madhyabhagadalli from address barutte. So here it is, okay, from address. This is HMT watches. It is in capital letters. Title is capital letters. Then number 701, comma, Shivaji Road, Hubballi, right, pin code. This is the from address. Then space, we leave a space, jaga anubirtivi. Then date, 28 June 2021. Then space. This is to address. Okay, this is to address. The sales manager, Hindustan Machine Tools, that is HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools, number 27 Mumbai Road, Pune, pin code. This is the to address. Okay. Then space, dear sir. I mean here punctuation is comma, dear sir, comma. Then space, subject. Okay. What is the subject here? Market survey report about the decline in the sales of HMT watches with suggestions. Yes, subject ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is mentioned clearly. What is the report about? ಈ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ about the decline. Decline means okay, reduction, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋದು, reduction in the sales of HMT watches, okay, with suggestions. This is the subject. Now the report, okay. So it begins in accordance. So that means the reporter is writing, okay, the reporter ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, this report he is preparing, okay. In accordance with your letter dated 1st June 2021, that means on this date this reporter has been appointed as a reporter to conduct survey to find facts regarding decline in the HMT watches and with suggestions. ಅಂದ್ರೆ HMT ವಾಚಸ್ನ ಮಾರಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗಣನೀಯವಾಗಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮಾರಾಟದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತ ವಾಸ್ತವಾಂಶಗಳನ್ನ, ಕಾರಣಗಳನ್ನ ಪತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ನ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಸೊ this letter was written to this person on this date. So he is giving that as reference. So in accordance with your letter dated 1 June 2021, I conducted a careful study. I conducted a careful study of the general trends of our business. Our business means selling of HMT watches. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನೊಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ನ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವೆಯನ್ನ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸರ್ವೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಲೆಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಅದರ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ I contacted the local dealers and collected the shortcomings of our own products. Look at this. So for this purpose, to collect the data or information, this person, this reporter, contacted the local dealers. Okay, ಮಾರಾಟಗಾರರು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಮಾರಾಟಗಾರರು, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತೆ. And collected the shortcomings of our own products. Shortcomings means okay, some negative points or minus points. So about our products, HMT watches products ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಲೋಪದೋಷಗಳು ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. The following are the results of my investigation. Okay, in his investigation he has come across these things. Yes, fact findings. So let us see what facts he has found. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ಅವನು ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ. So that means in a market survey report, so after the introduction, we generally write fact findings. Let us see the fact findings. Fact finding one: there is a huge influx of Chinese products in the market. The reason, huge inflow. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಚ್ ಓಕೆ ವಾಚಿನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳವಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. Chinese watches, China watches. This has made the market highly competitive and there is general decrease in sales of all company goods. So because of the Chinese products, Chinese goods, okay, so there is a competition in the market of watches, and our products, okay, the sale of our products has been decreased. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ because of China products into the market. Fact finding 2: our advertisement policy is outdated and hence ineffective. Advertisement policy of HMT watches is outdated, old fashioned. That is why ineffective. ನಾವು ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಚ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ವೈಲ್ ಅದರ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಅದರ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್, other watch companies, they are coming forward with the new advertisements, novel advertisements to attract the customers. That is the second reason. Third reason: our products are at a disadvantage because of their outmoded designs and packaging. The designs of HMT watches, our watches, okay, it is out-fashioned, old-fashioned, obsolete, and even packaging also not attractive. Other firms are adopting the best designs with attractive packaging, while other firms, other companies, they are adopting best designs and packaging, attractive packaging. That is, the customers are attracted towards those company watches or products. So these are the three fact findings. Okay, ಈ ಮೂರು ಕಾರಣಗಳನ್ನು HMT watches sales ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. These are the three reasons, okay, which are responsible for the decline of HMT watches. So he has found, reporter has found or listed these three fact findings. So he's giving suggestions after fact findings. We have to give suggestions. So report to fact findings ಅಂದ್ರೆ suggestions. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಸಲಹೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Under these circumstances, I would like to suggest the following measures. 1. So here he gives the suggestions regarding the fact findings. Okay, fact finding ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ suggestions ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. Fact finding 1, suggestion 1. Okay. In order to overcome the present position, prices may be reduced temporarily. So first fact finding was influx of China products. ಚೈನಾ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಆ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗೆ. ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರರಿಲಿ. ದ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ HMT ವಾಚಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರರಿಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟೆಂಪರರಿಲಿ. ಈವನ್ ಎ ಫ್ರೀ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಬೈ ಇನ್ ಬಲ್ಕ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಡೀಲರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಡೀಲರ್ಸ್ ಬಲ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ free gift we can give. If the dealers buy in bulk, and even the customers also, they buy in bulk, free gift can be given again to attract the dealers and customers. This may be continued until the sales go up. Okay, not forever. This may be continued until the sales go up. Sales ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ pick up ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋವರೆಗೂ we can continue with this scheme. Fine. So second suggestion, this second suggestion is for second fact finding. ಎರಡನೇ fact finding ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ second suggestion. There is advertisement policy, I think. A more scientific way of advertisement should be adopted. Yes, we have to give advertisements with a more scientific approach, attractive approach, competitive approach, commercial approach, we can say. The superiority and the usefulness of our products should be reinforced in the minds of the public through regular and more attractive advertisements. Okay, the superiority, the quality, the durability of our watches should be reinforced in the minds of the customers through attractive advertisements. Okay. Of course, there will be considerable expenditure involved. Of course, for this purpose, there is a huge expenditure. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಪ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. But this will, if we go with new advertisements, this will help, okay, ensure sales go up in the long run. In the long run, ಬರ್ತಾ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ, okay, go high. Yes, three designs regarding designs, fact findings. Okay, but there was fault in designs. So suggestion: the present design and shape of watches may be changed to better design with attractive packaging. Okay, we have to change the present designs into attractive designs. At least when we produce, when we manufacture watches, okay, we have to think about new designs and attractive packaging. Suggestion: frequent changes in design and shape will also create a good impression in the minds of the customers. Okay, you cannot go with the same designs for 10, 20, or 30 years. Frequent changes, maybe 5 years once, okay, or 10 years once, we have to change designs of our watches. And we can open stalls at local exhibitions and fairs. Okay, ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಜಾತ್ರೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ we can open our stalls. Right, these are the suggestions. Then conclusion. So he has given 5 suggestions for 3 fact findings, and this is the conclusion. I hope if you put these suggestions into practice, it would result in higher sales and will enable us to compete with similar products. Okay, he is hopeful that if these suggestions are put into practice, definitely they will be in the competition, and definitely it will help to raise their products sale in the market. Right, so that is the report. So the format, again the format after the report: thank you, full stop, space, yours faithfully, comma. Here no punctuation, punctuation ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ, faithfully, comma, signature, Kirtan G, branch sales manager. He is a branch sales manager. This person prepared the report. ಈ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಕೀರ್ತನ್ ಇದನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಇವನು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. Okay, dear students, so here ends the model or sample market survey report. Okay, I hope you have understood it very clearly. Fine, so what are the learning outcomes of this class then? The students understand the contents of market survey reports. Okay, now you know very well what are the contents of MSR. They enhance their knowledge on the steps or methods to be followed to write a market survey report. Okay, the steps or methods of writing a market survey report. Now you are able to prepare a market survey report on your own if a question is given to you. Good. Fine. So multiple choice questions. Question number 1 is here for you. First question: a market survey is usually conducted by option A, journalists; option B, scientists; option C, government officials; option D, business people. Yes, you are perfectly right, dear students. Answer is D, business people. Good. Question number 2: which of the following is not a feature of a market survey report? Not a feature of market survey report. A, fact finding; B, sanctioning loan; C, appointment of a reporter; D, fact finding. Oh, fact finding is twice. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, fine. Anything? Okay, you are right, dear students. So B, sanctioning loan is not a feature of market survey report. Question number 3: after signature on a letter, name of the signee need not be written in brackets. After signature on a letter, okay, name of the signee need not be written in brackets. Whether it is true or false. Okay, check your answer. It is false. Yes, you have to write the name of the signee in bracket. Okay, question number 4: which of the following punctuation mark does come after yours faithfully? Okay, yours faithfully, which punctuation mark we have to put? Yes, this one. A, exclamatory mark; B, full stop; C, semicolon; D, comma. Which one we have to put after writing yours faithfully? Okay, dear students, you are right. Answer is D, comma. Fine, last question. From address in a market survey report generally comes at dash the letter. From address in a market survey report comes at the dash the letter. Right side of the letter, left side of the letter. C, either left or right. Either left or right. D, none of the above. Think and check your answer. Answer is D, none of the above. Then where does it come? It comes in the middle of the letter. Okay, middle of the letter. Okay, dear students, here ends the multiple choice question session. This book, Business Communication in English, workbook, okay, Orient Black Swan, Hyderabad, 2014. It is taken for reference to prepare this video class, dear students. Thank you, and let me conclude this class with okay, a statement. Have a joyful day, of course, forever. And now, let me conclude this class.